Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something that's super relevant in 2025. How to transfer your XRP from the Arculus wallet to Coinbase. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're building your portfolio or just cashing out, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Arculus wallet and Coinbase accounts set up and verified. This is crucial for a smooth transfer. Start by opening the Arculus wallet app on your device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to your XRP holdings. You'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Find XRP and select it. Now, here's where it gets hands-on. Tap on the Send or Transfer option. Before you proceed, head over to your Coinbase app or website. Log in, go to your XRP wallet, and copy the receiving address. Double-check this address because accuracy is key to avoid any mishaps. Back in Arculus, paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. In 2025, XRP transactions are lightning fast, but fees can vary, so keep an eye on that. Review all the details one last time: amount, address, and fees, then hit confirm. You'll likely need to verify this with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. After confirmation, sit tight. The transfer should process quickly, often in seconds, thanks to the XRP ledger's speed. Once it's done, jump back to Coinbase and refresh your account to see your XRP arrive. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick tip: always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication to keep your assets safe. And there you have it. Transferring XRP has never been easier. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.